guys, it's me, your just a woman with her tools. And today I will be working on my cat climbing pole. So this is the pole. I have taken it off my wall because I did have just plain sisal on it, and I have spray painted it gray. And my neighbors are over here helping me today. Say hi.
Hi.
And then I'm dyeing some of the sisal. I'm trying to get it charcoal, but it's not quite turning out charcoal, but you can see it's a lot darker than it originally was. This is the sisal, and it was this color, and now it's this color. So I'm letting it drip, throwing it on an old curtain that the cat ruined, and I will be placing it in here now, because I've had my walls painted gray, and I want the sisal to somewhat match the walls in the house. So that is why I'm redoing this, plus the fact it was starting to fall apart. Allie here is excited that she threw her leaf in my dye, and it dyed it kind of gray. Not
it looks
really.
Like this.
But it looks like that, so really now
No,
it just looks dead, but you know, you can decide for yourself. So there it is, still soaking. So my plan for today is to wrap the bottom of it with this carpet. Put a little carpet circle at the bottom.
No, you have like.
And then in the middle, it will be the sisal. And the carpet is also going to go at this end. Right there. And if you want to watch these two girls fight, go for it. So now I'm going to take my wood glue, Gorilla wood glue, and a little circle. I'm going to put glue all over the bottom of it and glue it on. Just like that. And that's it. We're gonna let it sit and stay glued. And I'm gonna take a little tack and nail it on too. Here's what I've done so far. I've wrapped the bottom. I'll need to put another tack right there. I had to actually use tacks to put this on because the glue didn't hold, but I'm still gluing it to make it hold. And now I'm going to tack this on here. So it's gonna hang out and the cat's gonna have something to play with. Now we are wrapping the sisal around the pole, and this goes a lot better with two people doing it than it did when I did it by myself the first time. Okay, so with the help of Allie, my neighbor, who is holding my phone, with the help of her cousin, I am wrapping this and trying to make it as tight as possible, because the last time I did this for the cat, I didn't get it tight enough. So even though it worked, it kind of separated. So we're trying to get this as tight as we can. And this was supposed to be gray dye, but as you can tell, it didn't quite come out gray. So I have finished the cat pole. I've put two different toys in it just for the cat to play with when he climbs up it to get to his food bowl. And now it's time to hang it up with these brackets. I will use my nice Hart drill and hang it up right here where it used to be before I took it down. I've already got the wall anchors in, so I just need to put it up. So there you go. The cat tower, climbing pole, whatever you want to call it, is hung up. And as always, thank you so much for watching. And as a disclaimer, I am not associated with Hart. I do not work for Hart. I do not get paid by Hart. I just really like my Hart tools. So with this video, I actually used my Hart drill, my Hart sawhorses, my Hart hammer, and I think something else. I can't remember what though. But I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you.